Welcome back to Review One Box. In today's video we are going to talk about the all-new 2023 Mazda CX-90. So before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to enable notification alert for upcoming videos. You can also find us on Instagram and Facebook by using our official handle at Review One Box. Links are also provided in the description below. Mazda is preparing to launch a full-size premium SUV called the Mazda CX-90, which will replace the existing CX-9. Several images of the same SUV were caught during testing, which implies that it will be built on Mazda's premium Sky Active scalable architecture with longitudinal mounted front engine and rear-wheel drive proportions. It will be the largest car in the Mazda's premium family lineup with 3 rows of seating. Mazda has shown the first teaser of the CX-90. The picture shows a part of the body with a wheel arch, a hood and a decorative element which states inline 6. This signifies that the SUV will feature inline 6-cylinder engine, which Mazda has also officially confirmed. The company also noted that the large crossover will receive a new crystal soul red color, specially designed for premium cars. The Mazda CX-90 is likely to have hybrid versions, including a plug-in hybrid e-Sky Active. The base model may feature a 4-cylinder naturally aspirated 2.5-liter engine producing 191 horsepower, mated to a 175 horsepower electric motor with 17.8 kilowatt-hours battery. The total system output is 327 horsepower and 500 newton-meters of torque. Stepping up, we have the new 3.3 liters inline 6-cylinder Sky Active diesel engine producing 231 horsepower and the new 3.3 liters inline 6-cylinder turbocharged Sky Active gasoline producing 280 horsepower. Both engines are mated to a soft hybrid 48-volt starter generator with additional 22 horsepower. An 8-speed automatic gearbox with rear-wheel drive is standard, however all-wheel drive is also available. The all-new Mazda CX-90 will debut in January 2023. Until then, stay tuned to our channel for more information regarding vehicles. As always, thanks for watching, like and comment to let us know your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video.